Hi. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about fixed income securities. In next 5 minutes, I'll explain the process of what are the different fixed income securities and why we call them as a fixed income, and what are the features or what are the different securities that comes under fixed income securities. I'll explain that quickly. Before go ahead with the 5 minute video, I would request you please like, subscribe and share this content with others. So now pay attention here. See this how fixed income securities work. If you see the word first, see fixed income and securities. If I, let's say, separately write this word fixed, when we talk about fixed, so it means here we are talking about investment. We are talking about investment, right? Here you need to pay the fixed amount. It can be 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, let's say 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, right? You need to pay fixed amount in an investment pool or investment vehicle or in investment instrument, I would say, right? You need to pay fixed amount. When you invest fixed amount, it means you will also receive fixed amount from that particular investment company or issuer. For example, let's say if you invest in a government bonds, you purchase government bonds at 100 rupees. So it means at maturity, redemption price would be also 100 rupees. So it means you invest 100 and then you will receive 100. Pay and receive fixed amount at certain maturity date. That's the meaning of fixed. Now question would be, so why should I invest if the amount is fixed? If there is no increment in the investment value, then why should I invest? Don't worry about it. I'll explain that also. If you see the word, right, fixed income, second word is income. When you invest fixed amount, when there is no incremental value in investment, so it means that investment will offer fixed income. Fixed income, it means it can be dividend or interest payment that you will receive on investment instrument. When you invest your money in instrument, so that instruments will offer interest or either dividend. Simple. And if you talk about now interest, as you know that there are two types of interest payment. There are many more as well, but in general, if you talk about that, investment companies offer floating and fixed interest payment on fixed investment. When you invest fixed amount, then issuers or companies will offer floating and fixed interest amount on investment. Apart from that, you would see dividend as well. If you invest like preference equity, where preference equities offer fixed dividend. It can be variable, but yeah, ultimately you will receive fixed dividend at maybe maturity or maybe periodic basis, I would say. So that depends. And third word, if I add securities, when we talk about securities, so it means we are talking about equity, bonds, deposit, bank receipt, treasury bills, government securities, money market instruments, loan obligation, ABS, MBS, right? Or any other real estate, investment firms, if they have any other, tranches or any other model as such, that all comes under securities. So it means if you invest fixed income or fixed amount, if you invest fixed amount in all such securities, then that securities offer income on investment or invested amount, and that's what you can call it as fixed income securities. Fixed income securities. So this is how your fixed income securities works. If you want in detailed session on how trade life cycle of fixed income securities works, how settlement works, how broker receives quotation or fund manager request for quotations and all for fixed income securities, what are the top exchanges, how fixed income securities means mutual fund, hedge fund, or private equity managers invest and diversify their investment portfolio and all. If you want all such information, then I would expect at least 1,000 likes and 10,000 plus views to this video. Then I'll definitely come up with the more insightful information which can change your career. I'll promise that. So I have already, as I said, I'm committed that myself that I'll make you aware about finance industry and all, and I'll explain complex terms in an easy way so that everyone can understand it. And that's what we are famous as well. If you like this content, please hit button that like button, and even click on bell icon button. And wait, if you want more insightful content, why don't you purchase my membership? I have recorded more than 50 to 60 videos so that you can access. Quickly purchase membership and access the prime content and enjoy learning with GMT Academy. Again, if you are looking for any course as such, immediately call and get the information. And if you need any career counseling and guidance, why don't you book the personal appointment with me? Thank you. We'll see you in next session. And if you need any help, you can contact me directly. I have given my number in the description. We'll see you next session. Thank you.